Hey, this is Wes.
Wyatt.
David. We're the Missouri Wind and Solar Podcast crew. We're doing a quick video today about our upcoming workshop in February.
Yeah, we're going to be doing this on February 20th here at Seymour. We'll be going over things such as wind turbines, solar systems, batteries, anything that would take to do a solar or a wind installation. We'll be doing a hands-on training here at the facility.
I'm not going to give you a hard time this time. What are you doing?
I'll be doing the vacuum forming and wind tunnel.
And the wind tunnel. And part of your ticket goes to a store credit. So $250 of your ticket is to be spent in the store that day. So get your tickets now. We'll be following Webster County guidelines for COVID. So if you've got any questions about that, you can check out the Webster County website online. And we look forward to seeing you in February.